are the top 5 most terrifying birds on Earth that look majestic but are secretly dangerous. And number 1 is the most deadly. Number 5, mute swan. It looks peaceful and elegant, but it can be extremely aggressive and has been known to chase people away. Number 4, Philippine eagle. One of the most powerful birds in the world. It's strong enough to hunt monkeys high in the trees. Number 3, cassowary. This bird looks like a real-life dinosaur. With powerful legs and razor-sharp claws, it's considered one of the most dangerous birds on Earth. Number 2, shoebill stork. It looks like it stepped out of a horror movie. It stands completely still, then strikes with incredible speed. Number 1, harpy eagle. Massive, intense, and unbelievably strong. Its talons are huge, and it can lift animals right off the ground. Which bird is the scariest? Let me know in the comments.